Let's walk through.
Bro, why did I get out of this trade, bro? Like, why did I do that? Now it's running. Now it's running. I got out right here, bro. Like, I got out. Everything was going good about a day ago. I wake up, price pushed down, and I thought it was finna come down because it almost hit my stop loss right here. I got scared, and I thought it was gonna keep going down to my second stop loss, and I got out and I panic sold. Why did I panic sell? Like, why did I panic sell? I'm so blue, like I'm so blue, like I can, like, bro, like, matter of fact, I'm gonna go back and get my money. No, do not do that, gang. Don't do that, gang. Don't do that, gang. Just take it to the chin and move on, man. Like, this is a live trade that I literally missed out on because I got impatient and I got scared and I panic sold. Like, I gotta, like you can't do that, man. Like, for real, like, I'll just decide this is a live today. Of this recording, like, literally, like, this was a perfect setup that I got out of, man. Like, I got out, like, over here in this area right here because I got scared and I had two stop losses. Really, this is my stop loss right here, all the way down here. Game price ain't even come right here. You feel me? Like, and I got out right here as soon as this is gonna take off, bro. And I know I'm not the only one that has experienced this type of mental error. You know, this is a mental error that I gotta fix. I gotta trust my judgment and just, you know, just let trades do what it's gonna do. If it stop me out, stop me out. If it don't, it don't. And that's the reason, like, trading is really about psychology. It's not really just, you know, trading, just, you know, make money. No, it's really about, like, mastering yourself and knowing your flaws and knowing the things that you shouldn't be doing in these markets. Like, I knew, like, I'm supposed to get out of that trade. Like, everything in me told me just to stick it out, just wait. Stick it out, just wait. I ain't following my trading plan either. Like, this is not a game. Like, this is real. Like, I'm literally missing out on good money right now. Big money. Like, and I put big money behind this trade. I think I traded, like, I put like $125 on this trade. And now I'm just watching it hit my first TP. Like, damn, this is live. Like, I just got in this trade yesterday right here. Shot up, felt good and shit. Then it came down. And it started going sideways, and it started coming down. It started going down hard, like hard. And I got scared. I got scared, and I true like a pure bitch, bro. Like, you gotta stop being a bitch, bro. Like, for real. Like, I ain't gonna lie. Like, I could call myself a bitch for that. Like, that's that shit right there. Call yourself out, bro, for real, and take it to the heart. Take it to, you feel me? Get mad with yourself. That was some real. If you can't call yourself a bitch, then I don't know. That's some true like that. Like, why you get out of that trade, Kevin? Why you ain't hold your nuts? Like, why you ain't believe in yourself? Like, why you ain't believe in a setup? You feel me? Like, sometimes you just gotta look in the mirror and be like, damn, I fucked up. I could have easily got back into the markets and tried to get another trade and did anything like that, which I actually did. I got in this trade right here, GJ. Once I got my shit together, I'm like, you know what, bro? I'm tweaking, bro. Let me just cancel out the noise and just lock in, man. Cause, like, I mean, I'm in this trade right here, but this trade compared to that trade, you see what I'm saying? Like, I got in right here on this trade. Like I shouldn't even took this trade, but I'm like, might as well just take the trade and just, you know, make back some of your money that you lost. Cause I've been tweaking this whole week, y'all. Like, man, y'all just don't understand. Like, this is a prime example of panic selling, not trusting yourself, not believing in yourself, and just not sticking to your trading plan. Just mental errors that I gotta get over. And I know I'm not the only person that do this and that has done this in their trading career. And I just wanted just to show y'all just like a little, you know, just the bad things about trading mentally and stuff like that. And this has happened to me multiple times, trying to cut losers early. Like yeah, it's good. Yeah, it's good to cut losers early, but it's also like a curse. Like, I'm gonna just stop trying to cut losses early and just take my wins and take my losses. Like, just take it to the chin. Like, I had no reason of cutting this trade early. No reason at all. No reason at all. And the Kevin that's disciplined, that know, like, okay, I'm gonna wait. I didn't do that. I didn't have no patience. They went out the window. I'm like, man, fuck this trade, man. It ain't going up. It's It's about 8:30, 9:30, and it's going down, so I'm finna get out. That's how I was thinking, but I should have waited till 10 o'clock, a little later, and I would have been winning. This happened at 9 o'clock. I got out at like 8:50, gang. This bar closed. Like, I didn't even think I got out at 9 o'clock. I got out on this bar. When it came down here, I got out. I said, fuck it, I'm out. This was at 8 o'clock. Like, it just turned 9. Ain't even wait to 10, you know what I'm saying? Like, being impatient. So, just learn from my mistakes, man. If you've been impatient, if you got fear of losing, you gotta cut it out. And this is from me. This is infamous Kevo, motion man Kevo, bag man Kevo, all that. I'm still messing up. I'm still doing the same stupid mistakes. I'm still doing dumb stuff. Yes, I'm not perfect, but I'm trying to master myself. And that's what y'all gotta understand. Like, you gotta start mastering yourself. This is about you. This is about nobody else. Start watching YouTubers. Like, I still be watching YouTubers sometimes tweaking, trying to, no, I'm gonna stop doing that too. We gotta lock in. Like, and now I'm gonna lock in for real. Like I missed so much money this week, bro. And lost so much money this week that I had no business losing, G. And I'm so mad at myself for doing that, bro. I gotta lock in, cause look at this trade. This trade is beautiful, y'all. Bro. Beautiful trade. Beautiful, bro. Nice stage 1 to a stage 2 breakout. Beautiful. 4 hour, everything so beautiful. So beautiful. Stage 1, beautiful. And I got out. That's art. That is beauty. That is beautiful. And I knew this was gonna happen. Well, I ain't say I knew this was gonna happen, but I knew that this had a good probability of working. And I still got out tweaking and stuff, man. So, I mean, I don't really got too much to say, man, but just stop doing the same mistakes and just do, like, you know, like self-evaluations. Try to do it as much as you can and start disciplining yourself too. I'm trying to be a better trader for y'all and myself. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna hold myself accountable for the mistakes and errors that I messed up in. This is, like, it hurts so much more when you miss out on it for real. Like, it's worth taking them little losses to get this win. Like, I could have really been up a lot of money right now. And I'm so, like, wow, Kevin. I can't blame nobody else but myself. It's wow. You press sold. You press sale. Like, come on, kid. We gotta tighten up, man. You gotta tighten up. So, man, I hope this video bring out some value, man. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe if you're new, man. Kevo join the gang. I'm finna go crazy, man. I gotta really, like, channel my inner, you know, Mark Douglas, for real. Like, I gotta really channel this, like, beast mentality and just lock in with myself. So, I hope this video do y'all some well. I'm gone, man. Peace.
I turn around, man, this bitch, I'm killing shit like I'm Herb. You can't fuck with me, I do that shit, I rap this straight to burst. All the fuck you talking about, bitch, I'm against it on me. And let be the fucking till you fucking know me. I'm Kevo gang in this bitch, 100 kind of way. Bitch, we in this bitch T every fucking day.